So I have been trying to give away this computer to somebody for 2 months now, and that's 2 months too long. Well, that needs to change because this thing should have been sitting on one of your desks by now, and I'm moving to Florida. And rather than pack this beautiful computer up into a box, move it all the way down to Florida, and have it sit there while I get my new studio set up, I'd rather just make sure that this goes into the hands of one of my subscribers so that it can be used the way that it should be. Because if I'm being honest, sitting at my desk watching this beautiful computer just collect dust is killing me inside. Because for a small form factor build, this little computer packs one heck of a punch and gets some pretty fantastic frames in some big name games, all while looking pretty fantastic in its all blacked out look. So the rules to win have got to change, and they need to change today. Now, 2 months ago, I said this: we will give this computer away when the channel is at 15,000 subs. Now, when I recorded that segment, we were gaining subscribers left and right. I would go to bed some days, wake up with 100 new subscribers. The growth was absolutely unreal. And I was fairly convinced that once we showed us shipping off our first giveaway computer, that would only increase the credibility of the channel, so people knew that it wasn't a scam, and then we would see an increase in subscribers, and it would just slingshot us into the future. And that never happened. And that is my fault. Now, I did not intentionally halt the progression of my own channel. I mean, nobody wants the PC Rehab to succeed and be successful more than I do. I mean, I have pumped a ton of energy into this channel, upgrading the lighting and the video and audio quality, as well as the backdrop here, to not only try and entertain you all, but to help teach people about building and cleaning computers and trying to get the most out of your money. What happened is I burnt myself out making the exact same content over and over and over again on short form content platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. Now, I never set out to be a short form content creator. It was never the design of the PC Rehab to make short form content, even though it 100% worked in getting this channel a large amount of subscribers really, really fast. Unfortunately, due to that, it put a hurt on all the long form video that I put out afterwards. But let me show you what I'm talking about. This right here is the retention rate for the giveaway video I made for this current giveaway computer. And as you can see, the retention rate drops dramatically, all the way down to 14% retention at some points. And at the 10-minute mark, it spikes back up. And that's where I tell people what they need to do to enter and win this particular computer. And that hurts my videos because retention rate is a large part in what YouTube uses to determine if they're going to continue to push your content out. And that just lets me know that out of the 8,000 people who clicked to watch that video, only a very small portion of those people actually care about the content that I make or what's even inside of the computer that they're trying to win. And that result is due to the fact that I was promoting those giveaways so heavy on those short form platforms. They would come to the video, they would see that everyone was entering a keyword in the comments, they would enter the keyword, and then they would leave. Now, don't get me wrong, I understand that people want free stuff. I'm not opposed to winning free things myself. But I would prefer to grow our subscriber base full of people who actually care about the content that I'm making and not just a whole bunch of people who want something for free. So because of all this, I decided to slow down the amount of short form content that I was making about giveaways and focus more of my attention on the long form videos that I absolutely love making for you guys. Now, does that mean that I'm going to stop making short form content promoting the giveaways? No, I will still do that, but it's not going to be the only thing that I do. So where do we go from here? How do you win the Shadow Gaming PC? Well, I'm going to make winning this beast of an ITX build happen just a little sooner than expected. Because this channel was designed around a love of computers and me trying to do my best to give some of the computers that I build on this channel away to subscribers. So from now on, all future announcements for giveaways are going to go through the PC Rehab Discord server. So if you want to make sure that you are always signed up for the current giveaway that we will be doing, you're going to need to make sure that you are an active member within the PC Rehab Discord server. I want to do my very best to make sure that the people who win something from this channel, whether it's a gaming PC, a PC case, or a monitor, are all here because of their love for computers, gaming, and tech, rather than only being here because you might win something from me. Even though I know that that is a huge bonus to being a part of this channel. So the requirements to win this computer are no longer a 15,000 sub count goal. We will be giving away Shadow on June 28th. The requirements are so simple. Just be subscribed to the YouTube channel and make sure that you are a member of the PC Rehab Discord server. The link to join that server will be in the descriptions down below. And please remember, if somebody in the comment section tells you that you won anything, that's a scam. That's not me. And this last part is so important. No matter where you are in the world, I hope you are having a fantastic day. And I will see you in the next video.